Guys, so in this lecture I will discuss about the topics that I am going to cover in this quantitative aptitude series of lectures. Okay, so I have already presented 3 lectures. In the lecture 0, why quantitative aptitude is important for all of you guys, and in the lecture 1 I have discussed the problem related to height and distance. But I think that you need to know about the contents of this particular lecture series. Okay, so you may think this lecture as the syllabus of the quantitative aptitude series. Okay, so you can take a screenshot now. This will be our syllabus. Got it? You have taken it? So first of all, this numbers you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, that will be our lecture number. In fact, it may happen that in one lecture that particular content may not be finished, or some more examples I am going to bring out for that topic. Then what I will do, see, for this one, suppose 1 height and distance problem. Okay, some problems I am going to discuss in the next subsequent lecture, then that will be termed as 1B. That is, the first one will be 1A, then second one will be 1B, 1C, like that, till the all numericals along with the concepts being discussed. Okay. So these are the topics. First one is height and distance. Do remember that I am bringing these topics with respect to, means keeping in mind that those topics which are frequently appearing in different competitive examinations, like your civil service examinations, like your GATE, like your NET, or other banking type of examinations also. So height and distance, your first topic. Second, time and distance. Then third, boats and stream. Fourth, interest, means simple and compound interest calculations. Then problems on train. This is very important. In fact, you will see some star marks here. Star marks mean those topics are very important or more important than the other topics. Okay. Then profit and loss type of problems. Then percentage. Then average calculation. Then partnership, important one. Clocks, calendars problems. Then area and volume calculations, then numbers, then permutation and combination, very important. Then highest common factor and least common multiple, that is LCM, SCF and LCM calculation. You guys already know that this is very important. Okay, then fraction, then square root and cubic root or cube root calculation, then shorts and indices, then ratio and proportion, then alligation or mixture, commonly known as mixture problems, that is very important. Okay, then pipes and cisterns, then chain rule, then simplifications, then probability. I am putting double star here because it is coming in mathematics sections also. Then odd man out or series types of problem. So guys, I will cover all these topics in the coming lectures. So stay tuned. If you have not already subscribed this channel, do subscribe it, share with your friends so that they will also get benefited from this lecture series. So guys, see you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.